Hi, this is Alex. I apologize for getting the work to turn in the work. Um, I'll be doing lab A in this video. Um, which will be explaining question 3 and question 5. Um, so basically explaining how the corrective lens works. So for question 2 explains how for far-sighted eye. So I'll just use this simulation. For far-sighted eye, that means the person wouldn't be able to have strong enough focus to see the object when it's nearby. So select it to far-sighted and then the object nearby, you can see the object's not focused. But if we put corrective lens to it, then the eye will be able to focus. And for nearsighted eye, it's exactly the opposite. It it's perfectly able to see the object that's nearby, but not able to see the object far away. So to correct this, so focus far, it's not able to focus. To correct this, the eye lens is too strong. To correct this, we um, we use this convex lens to um, to help the eye focus on the object.